and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you my bullet journal again, and I have a lot of footage of how I started my new bullet journal, and I haven't shown you this before. I know that we are like 5 months into this year and people usually put this type of video at the beginning of the year, but oh well. So better late than never. Let's just jump right into it. The first page is my cover page where I wrote 2018, and it's basically the same design as I did it in my previous bullet journal, because I only used that bullet journal for 2 months of 2018. So it seemed like fair to use the same design again, because I really enjoyed making it and I really like how it looks. So I thought that, yeah, I just make it again. So the design is just flower doodles and I really enjoy making it. The next page is my key page. So the key in bullet journal is a place where you basically put your symbols which you're using in your bullet journal, and you can always look up what any of them mean. I don't have a lot of symbols in my bullet journal because I try to keep everything fairly simple. Another spread in my bullet journal is a year at glance. So this is a place where I can see all months of the year, and this is the place where I track all of events and birthdays and upcoming appointments. The next page is just a simple circle with the months of the year, where I write what videos I posted on a certain month. It's a good way to see your progress. Next to that I have a page where I track where I shared my posts. So I just write down the name and just fill in if I shared it somewhere. The next page is a page where I track my stats. It's really nice to see your growth, even though sometimes it happens really slowly. But anyway, you can still see that you're going somewhere. Next to that I have a page where I wrote my list of craft stuff that I want to buy. And I decorated both pages with flower doodles again. And this next page is really fun for me and I really enjoy it, even though it took a while to make it. It is a page where I track TV series which I watch. So I just fill the numbers when I watch the episode, and it's been really fun to do that. And the last pages which I have there, which are a bit more random, it's for my future projects and for my brain dump. So future projects are basically my video or blog post ideas, or just something that I want to do for my house or for myself. And the brain dump is like more global ideas which I have spinning in my mind and then just don't want to forget them, so I just put them there. So yeah, that's everything I wanted to share with you today, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you enjoyed seeing the process of me making these pages in my bullet journal. So I wish you a very nice evening, day or morning, and I will see you really soon. Bye!